Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday and we are going to Niagara Falls via GO train, and guess who is with me right now? So yeah, obviously it has to be her अगर मैं कहीं बाहर जा रही हूँ तो. So right now we are in GO train and it's going to take us 2 hours 40 minutes approximately. So yeah, I will see you when I reach there. Stay tuned. So we are enjoying some snacks right now along with some coffee. And yeah, the snacks are given by my best friend Uzma.
Sponsored by Uzma Sheikh.
Guys, I'm genuinely not sure what it's called, but this view from our GO train is so amazing, like typical Canadian summer. So we have reached Niagara Falls and it's so beautiful in summer. अगर तुम लोग ने मेरा पहला vlog देखा रहेगा, it was in fall and winter, but now we are in like peak summer and we are enjoying it so much.
At this point, it's just like Lonavala for us. जैसे मुंबईकर्स हर मॉनसून में लोनावला जाते हैं, वैसे हम नाइग्रा आते हैं.
Guys, if you see this boat, we were planning to go there, but
जगह को डर लगता है.
the cruise that you have seen, guys, we were planning to go in that, but water.
जगह को डर लगता है.
Yeah, like
No other reason.
I'm not afraid of heights or something, but water, I hate water. I get nightmares for water. So yeah, we are just deciding it yet. We will keep you updated though. It's so hot, guys, but cannot complain because we just have 3 months of summer to enjoy, and then again it's gonna be minus 15, minus 20. So no complaints, but yeah, it's hot. Guys, it's so hot, but this is really important. We are not promoting beauty of Joseon, but yeah, sunscreen, keep applying. Just keep reapplying, guys, to protect yourself. It is an essential nowadays. This is not a healthy thing, guys. Do not eat junk.
Cheers. YOLO. 4 दिन की जिंदगी है.
ये 4 दिन की जिंदगी बोल बोल के ही पूरा जंक अंदर चला जाता
जीने
है.
के हैं 4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन.
No, guys, no. Only eat healthy. Take care of yourself. Take care of your body, skin. Life is just that. Guys, this is the closest view. अगर इसके आगे हम लोग जाएंगे, the water is gonna be all on us. This is so pretty. अभी भी हम लोग पे इतना पानी उठ रहा है. Still we are so far yet. We are so tired and hungry. So now we are gonna get some food and we'll keep you updated. Guys, we are so hungry right now. We are so tired. We are in Hakalicious and we are gonna have some good food, satisfy ourselves, and then we are going to a beautiful city, Niagara on the Lake. And there, Bolu, the ice cream thing. Yeah, there is a special ice cream which you guys might have thought of. I will show you directly. So let us eat this food and then catch you. So guys, now we are done with our lunch and we are so full. But how can be any lunch complete without a dessert, right? So now we are going to this beautiful city, Niagara on the Lake, and there is a very famous ice cream, Cow's ice cream. So we are very excited about it and we will show you everything in that city. Guys, you have to see the houses in this neighborhood. They are like huge mansions and each and every home is built with their own unique style and they are so huge. Like in Toronto, we don't see such huge homes, but here I think this is their retirement home or the vacation house, something like that, because it's so huge. is literally Canada's best ice cream shop. As you can see, the name is Cows. Totally justifies that it's Canada's best ice cream. We took the flavor New York cheesecake and it's so yummy, so yummy. I cannot even express it in words. It's that good. Have you? So guys, we have ended our day and it was so amazing, so amazing. Time fled so fast and we are so exhausted right now. Not because of today, but yesterday I did legs in my gym and after that I did 2 hours of Zumba class. So my legs are dead right now, dead. And today's day was beautiful, amazing, and we started our journey in the morning, 9:30 a.m. And right now it's 10:15. I'm still in GO train, so it will take me another 1 hour to reach home. So by 11:30 I should be home. So I will end our vlog here, and as I promised, it would be just a mini vlog. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you.